Hi and welcome back everybody, and for those of you who is new, welcome to this channel. This film is from the previous week. I have cut some trees down or branches, and I have stained this deck that I'm standing on, and I have also fixed the floor in this entryway. So tag along. The branches on this tree, as you can see, are way too low. I'm going to take them off today because I can't get under here safely without hitting my head when I'm cutting the grass. There are some apples on them. I'm going to save the ones that are on the branches, and maybe some of the ones that are fallen down, and I'm going to make something delicious with them later in the next video. I also have a problem with this tree. It has long, nice branches, but they have some prickly, small, stinging things on them. So I have to cut it down also. I need to get a sharper scissor. Right. Earlier this summer I rented a sander and sanded down all of this deck, and since it's been a lot of rain this summer I haven't gotten to stain it before now. It's about 30 or 40 square meters and the deck is pretty old, so I use a lot of stain to cover it. It's fairly dry since it's so old, so I used about 13 liters and it just soaks it up, so I have to do it twice, but then I think it's also nicer. It's an oil stain base and it suits my deck more because it's so dry, and the thing that I use is a mop-like thing. It's not a roller, but it's meant for these flat surfaces. As I said in the previous video, I was going to do some work on this house this year, and I am starting with the entrance because it has rotten because of all the moisture who has been there, and I didn't want to let it go any further. Please enjoy this struggle I have with this entryway. And another reason that I wanted to do this now is because this door is hanging. So I'm just screwing in wood that's already there, and I just jack it up with this crowbar. Thank you for watching, and please follow.